Yeah. Forget the feelings, let me rap. Heard your record took a nap. This ain't ESPN, but you'll play this back. Would you look at that? I write these lines and they get attacked. Dropped out of college to take you to class. My heart's sick of always thinking back. It throws up the cards that it's dealt. That's a cardiac. Hey, I pick up the pen and I wonder who got it like I do. I look at the team and you know that I got you. We taking a cab, but I'll get us to Cabo one day, man. I promise just be here tomorrow. Live fast, that's life. Life comes fast, that's why. Grow wings now, time flies. Don't pass time with pastimes, yeah. Here we go, step inside the studio. Ivan, why you changing on us? Why you switching up the flow? Ay. All the comparisons, man, I'm so done with it. Used to give love, and I got no love for them. Used to be fans of you and you, till I see all this hatred you're following. Look at your content, look at your topic. Some of you got it, most of you lost it. Just cause you shop a hot topic don't mean you're hot topic. The album is coming, just wait till I drop it, boy. Woo. Let me see, yeah. Let me be. I don't always count the money, but I always count on me, yeah. I don't drink, but I see two faces. Half of y'all couldn't catch a buzz if I gave you 2 cases. Don't play me, no playlist. I see no stars in this playlist. You stand out like flashlights in Vegas. Grip the mic like, girl, how far can you take us? Let's go. From the jump, everybody say they got you, but they don't. From the jump, I said I'm just doing me, that's for sure. From the jump, I've been working on the low. Let them know. From the jump, from the jump, from the jump, from the jump. Only see you giving love when I'm up. Hey, what's up? Being bitter holds you down, that's what it does. But it's love, see the score, run it up. See the crowd, turn it up. See your time, running up. Where were you at from the jump?
I just shut it down in Germany, something so hard I know exes could murder me. I got a record of wrecking these records, still ain't got a diamond involved in my necklace. I keep that gauntlet on me like I'm Thanos. Me knock a dead half of you, not even sweat it. They say they're next, that there is cute. To keep themselves going, they'll say what they do. I'm part of a plan that's out of my hands. I guess the destiny's kind of a fan. I spoke with the stars, bargained through bars. Prayed to the powers that be for a chance. Now it's A to the T to the double W. To keep up with the team, it would seem you would have to W. I don't mean to trouble you, but it's looking like the Clone Wars already couldn't bear another one of you. I am more than I imagined. I'm personified passion. I am pedal to the metal. I can never settle, flying or I'm crashing. They either mumble or spit it so fast the masses get totally blind to the fact that they ain't said a damn thing. A lot of false prophets, very few are kings. I remember dreaming about it, now I wake up to it, that's another flip. I've been hit me for the single, they know how to tingle, that's another hit. We've been plotting for a long time, now the plan in motion like it's rigged. But you weren't with us from the jump, no, you were busy jumping ship.
From the jump, everybody say they got you, but they don't. From the jump, I said I'm just doing me, that's for sure. From the jump, I've been working on the